Quant price is right now having a retest of a very critical level in the daily time frame, which is this previous support now flipped to resistance. And as we dive deep into the charts, I'll be revealing to you guys the potential scenarios that I'm expecting to arise in the immediate short term, as well as what could happen next for the Quant price action in the daily time frame. So before we begin, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to consider subscribing to the channel. It takes only 2 seconds of your time and it really means a lot to me. So let's begin. So right now we are in the daily time frame, and if you guys remembered a couple of videos ago, we have spotted this huge symmetrical triangle forming in the daily time frame. We have been respecting support and resistance, therefore completing the formation of this triangle. And I also mentioned again the respective targets for this triangle. So if we do break above the triangle, I mentioned that there's a chance that we could pump to a price target of 180 US dollars. But however, if we do break below the triangle, then we could see a price target of 80 US dollars. Obviously, it isn't 100% guaranteed. I'm not saying it is guaranteed to happen, but again, those are the respective targets of the symmetrical triangle. Now, right now we have broken below the triangle. What am I expecting? So first of all, right now, take a look at this in the daily time frame. We are currently having a retest of previous support. Keep in mind, this is strong support. It has been acting as strong support previously right here, and we unfortunately held it as support right here, but we failed to do so and broke below it basically. So right now we are in the daily time frame having a retest, which could be dangerous because this could signify the continuation to the downside, which I'm expecting next is we're going to be dumping basically to the next support zone at 103 US dollars right here. So yeah, that's the first potential scenario. There is right now a chance that the Quant price could also break above resistance right here, like so, and flip it to support once again. That's a potential scenario, but right now it looks highly unlikely. Why do I say so? Because right now, if you do pull up the EMA ribbon, if you guys take a look at the daily time frame EMA ribbon, it is currently acting as strong resistance. If you guys observe, previously, if you look at the historical price action, it has been acting as support right here. Support, 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 until we basically fell below it right here at some point. And it has been flipped to resistance, resistance, and we broke above it again and flipped to support. Basically, we have flipped it to support, and it has been acting as support for a short amount of time right here until we basically lost it and we fell below the EMA ribbon again. And right now it is acting as resistance. As you guys can see, whenever we have a rally or a pump towards the EMA ribbon, we get rejected, rejected, rejected. And then right now there is a chance we could also right now have a pump that's going to bring us towards the EMA ribbon, and with a high likelihood we could be rejected once we touch it again right here. So that is the warning you guys should look out for. And also, this previous support zone right here is also acting as heavy resistance, and that is why I'm right now saying that it is very unlikely that we could break above resistance, flip it to support, and continue moving to the upside. It is possible, but it isn't probable. It isn't a probable scenario. So right now, what is the probable scenario? So right now, there is a high chance that this retest, after this retest, we could continue the move to the downside to a price target of 103 US dollars. Because again, this is resistance. Once we do get rejected right here, we are going to be expecting, of course, a dump. And the price target is the next support. This is the next crucial support, and it starts at 103 US dollars. But of course, remember, there's a chance we could break above this resistance right here. The bullish case is if the Quant price manages again to first of all break above resistance and above this EMA ribbon. If we do break above the EMA ribbon, then I'm going to be flipping bullish. But until we haven't done that, I'm going to stay bearish. All right, so yeah, basically right now I have flipped bearish, and I'm expecting lower prices in the immediate short term, not in the long term. In the long term, of course, I'm expecting higher price action. But right now, again, the price action looks pretty terrible in the daily time frame. We have broken the structure, the bullish structure. Therefore, I'm expecting lower prices in the future. Again, I'll only flip bullish until we break above this EMA ribbon right here in the daily time frame. but right now it looks like it is acting as resistance, and therefore there's a high chance once we do have a pump towards it, we're going to get rejected and we're going to continue moving to the downside. If you guys want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, then don't forget to sign up on Bybit using my affiliate link. You guys going to get up to $30,000 in bonus as well as zero fees. And don't forget to join my Discord server where I post daily market signals and updates to my videos.